Today, I take you to an ephemeral curiosity of Rouen, the statue without a statue. Located on the Général-de-Gaulle Square in front of the City Hall, this equestrian statue of Napoleon I was still visible before July 2020, but since then, and until further notice, it is still under restoration, and for the moment, you can only observe the base, quite alone without its statue. So why tell you about a statue that is no longer there? First, because this statue is coming back, and then there are unusual things to tell. The first is that it is rare to see the Emperor Napoleon I on a horse. So far, only 6 equestrian statues have been identified in France. The second is that the orientation of the statue was not chosen by chance. Indeed, the emperor's gaze is turned towards a magnificent monument of the city, the cathedral. The third concerns the bronze, metal used for the manufacture of the statue, which would come from Austerlitz cannons with which the pendulums of the Hôtel de la Monnaie were melted. Finally, fourth and last thing, the statue is inaugurated on Napoleon's birthday, August 15, 1865. Wait, it's not over, because this statue contains a secret to be discovered in the next podcast.